that was all of the drama that's playing out on one hand. I apologize. Earlier we were trying to get our panelists on. We had a bit of an audio issue, but we're back with them. Prashant, you were making a point earlier. My apologies. Go ahead.
Yes, the coalition government between Siddaramaiah and Shivkumar is fishing in troubled waters. From the last 30 months, it is only greed for power and lust for the chair which is driving this government rather than governance and administration. There is administrative paralysis. Politically, this is a disaster for the state of Karnataka because people, after having given a mandate of 135 seats, what are they witnessing? Camps to Delhi to wait outside Rahul Ji's residence, waiting for a glimpse of him or a SMS from him. If this is what people of Karnataka get from the Congress, I am sure in the upcoming all the elections, Congress will be wiped out because people don't want a leader who goes to Delhi and stands outside the doorstep of Rahul Gandhi waiting for an SMS. This is not what people have elected for.
I want to bring
the portals have to be filled up. There has to be governance.
Yeah.
The administration has to be on the right track. Law and order. Where is the Home Minister? Not to be seen. Law and order probably is at its lowest in the last 50 years in Karnataka.
Prashant, that thought I want to bring in Mr. Ravi Srivastava also. Mr. Ravi, of course, the administration would take a back seat amongst all of this chaos. But why do you think the party high command is not willing to address the elephant in the room?
Naga, Congress has got a culture of its own. And you have seen that it is not Karnataka alone. You have seen it in Punjab, you have seen in Rajasthan, you have seen in Chhattisgarh. They take their own sweet time. And today also you have got an indication that Congress is in no hurry. That Mrs. Sonia Gandhi will be coming to Delhi on 29th. And then she'll be sitting with others and deciding about the next chief minister. But here I want to raise a question. I am watching it for last 4 months. This drama going on, or Nataka in Karnataka, whatever you call it, that the CM should be changed. Now CM here has got, I have not heard anything, retaliating or opposing the party for neither Mr. Siddaramaiah nor for Mr. Shivkumar. But the fact is their camps are pressurizing them hard. The camps are even camping in Delhi.
But sir, where are the camps coming from? I'm sure it's coming.
I'm telling
There's
you.
a string master.
Yes,
there's a puppet
there
master.
are. But there I have got one more angle to it. I am looking to a conspiracy angle behind it. The BJP has got a dubious distinction of pulling down the governments by trading them.
Prashant?
This has happened in Karnataka itself. This has happened in several states you have seen. Perhaps they are looking for another Eknath Shinde here. That could be the reason.
Prashant?
And that's a way that the people are, I don't see the people restless, but I think the media is restless and the opposition camps are restless.
I'll talk about the media,
This
sir.
sums
Prashant.
up Congress and its supporters' line to say, shoot the messenger. When the media brings out the issue of infighting in Congress, they blame the BJP. Congress, remember, is in power in 3 states. Telangana, Karnataka and Himachal. All of us know what's happening in Himachal. It's bankrupt. Karnataka is going the same way. Therefore, they are not even able to sustain. They are not able to rein in their leaders. Rahul Gandhi will be busy vacationing in some country. So therefore, it is not. Why should BJP be concerned? BJP is concerned, like every citizen of Karnataka, for the sake of governance and for the sake of 7 crore Karnataka people. And we are not interested in who becomes the CM from Congress, but whereas out of 135 people, let anybody occupy the chair. Like every citizen of Karnataka, we want governance and administration because that's what the mandate is for.
Mr. Upadhyay, I want to bring in you here. You have seen Siddaramaiah for years together when you all through your journey as a journalist. Without a ceremonious exit to Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, how difficult would be DK Shivkumar as Chief Minister? Can he run the government with CM Siddaramaiah being right behind his back? And also, where can the party accommodate him if at all he's changed?
Well, I think you are jumping the gun. You are expecting that Siddaramaiah is going to go and Shivkumar is going to take over.
So you don't think he's going?
It's not happening. It will take time. It will take time.
So someday it would happen.
We were all hoping that something will begin to happen in Delhi, on the 29th or 30th. But it looks like that the High Command has developed some cold feet. Obviously, there has been some delay. And we don't know, is it because of, people not being available, Sonia Gandhi being away from the country and she's supposed to be back only on the 29th. And then we don't know why the delay, because Shivkumar is saying that he has no invitation as of now. So we will have to wait. After all the saber rattling for the last few months in Bangalore, the media are hoping that things will move.
Yeah.
now, and you are flown down all the way from Delhi to Bangalore.
And nothing. And there's still no decision.
To push up the things, but people are not ready yet.
They're not giving
So-
in to even my pressure, Mr. Upadhyay.
So
very clearly.
I think probably, hopefully, with the 2 more days, see, the deadline was December 1, where the parliament session is going to start. So they were saying they will have some kind of a resolution or some meeting, preliminary meeting at least
Yeah.
before that. If even that is not happening, I think it's bad for the Congress party in Karnataka.
Okay, just following up on the question, then how do you accommodate DK Shivkumar if he's not getting the chair?
Well, Shiv Kumar will not
Always have
stop
Tihar.
now. Since Shiv Kumar
What is
is
that?
going all
Always
out.
have Tihar for DK Shivkumar.
Shiv Kumar is going all out now. I think he has decided that this is now or never, and he will keep pushing. He's playing a very tactical game. So remember, he also met Satish Jakioli. Why did he meet Jakioli? He knows that Siddaramaiah, in case he's pushed and asked to vacate, Siddaramaiah might propose, Jakioli's name for the chief minister's post. It has happened before. The chief ministers are pushed. They will bring in someone else. It happened when Ramakrishna Hegde and Devegowda fought. Ramakrishna Hegde proposed S.R. Bommai's name. So Bommai became the chief minister, not Devegowda. So he is preparing himself for all eventualities, and he's one person who is not going to give up now.
That'll be an absolute twist if it happens. Before I bring in Mr. Gowda, Mr. Srivastava, you mentioned something about the media making this up. Let me just highlight for you what DK Shivkumar has posted today, sir. Word power is world power. I'm sure you also, there's no reading between the lines in that.
But he forgot to tag Siddaramaiah in that. You have to also remind him that.
I think he mentioned for the high command, no?
He cannot. No Congress leader dare say anything to the High Command because even Mallikarjun Kharge, the Congress president, has to stand outside and peep through when Rahul ji, Sonia ji and Priyanka ji are inside.
Mr.
So therefore, they dare not say anything to the High Command. Internally, they may say among themselves, but when the High Command, if the High Command tells them to bend, they will probably crawl.
Both the leaders, the tall leaders, Mr. Shivkumar and Siddaramaiah, they are competing with each other. And first thing I want to ask is that where from this 2.5 year theory came in? It was never on a piece of paper. It was all between the party and between the MLAs and between
But
the
then why is DK
leaders and all.
Shivkumar talking about
Right.
it, sir? If we've made it up, it's a
It's
figment
not-
of
In
our
fact, he
imagination.
went
Why
ahead and
is
said that there were
Shivkumar
6
pushing?
people, senior leaders, when this happened.
It was never recorded, sir. That's what I am saying.
Of course,
That
there won't
it
be an
is
affidavit
only-
and where
it
CM
is
and the
only-
deputy CM will sign.
It is only an understanding.
Yes,
Okay?
yes.
So
That 6
understanding.
might have been
if it has
Sonia
to be-
ji, Rahul ji, Priyanka ji, Robert Vadra, their children. So therefore, you
Sir,
may not have any other
I am looking
person
at
to
another
report that.
possibility. The High Command itself may become the Chief Minister here.
You're saying
Oh,
Mr.
the
Kharge
High
will become
Command-
Chief Minister.
Mallikarjun Kharge, he is a aspirant for the Chief Minister chair, but not today, for last 13 years. So I think there may be a surprise may come in that he is nominated as a Chief Minister and both these gentlemen work under him.
I want to bring in Mr. Raju Gowda also. Mr. Gowda, we heard Vokkaliga Swamiji's back, DK Shivkumar, saying that it was our turn to become the Chief Minister in 2023, but DK Shivkumar has lost his turn. Is the community now, is the JDS fearing that if DK Shivkumar becomes the Chief Minister, the Vokkaliga community, which is the backbone of your party,
No,
will consolidate
it's not.
behind
It's
DK?
not. It's not like that. Devegowda ji is the good leader for Vokkaliga community. He is always the best and better leader for India also. There is no issue of caste feelings. Some devotees came to the Swamiji and they asked for the DK Shivkumar CM. He is the endorsed that statement. That's all. There is no between the caste feelings and politics. So in old Mysore region, before while the time of before 2023 election, they are asked for the Vokkaliga leader. They are asked for give me a pen and paper for me for this time. You are given for everybody for Vokkaliga leaders, H.D. Kumaraswamy and others. But now they are asking for that, but they will not get the seats from the Congress. Before also, Siddaramaiah is very powerful in Congress. In nowadays also, Siddaramaiah is the very powerful in
you're saying
Congress.
Siddaramaiah
We
is the
know-
boss?
Yeah, he became the boss.
He will be the boss.
Before 3 months back, Mr. Rajana endorsed that he will not become the CM. DK Shivkumar will not become the CM. Always for 5 years, Siddaramaiah is the CM. He is endorsed that. Almost most leaders, Ainda leaders and backward class leaders are endorsed that. While the time of the government, they are having more than 80 members with them.